Hello guys and welcome back to Repair and Resell. In today's video I just received this huge package through mail. I won't be able to fit it truly in the video, but I think you will be able to see pretty much what it is. For those of you who watch my weekly summary number 2, you might have a little hint on what it is. So I'm gonna open the package right now and we're gonna see what's inside. So here we go. Let's hope that everything is fine inside. Just like this. You can already see an Xbox box. And here is a refurbished Xbox One. For the moment it looks well packed. I will take the Xbox One out of the box. It's pretty heavy. Just like this. I'm gonna put the rest of the packaging apart. It was well packed with some air bubble. I think with the box, also the original box of the Xbox One, it could be pretty nice. So here we go. The box is pretty huge. Don't know if you can see correctly. So we're gonna open it. Just like this. And here we can see what's inside. It's not easy to get that out. Just like this. Here we have the main console. Here we have a controller. I think the controller is supposed to work. The only thing not working in the slot should be the Xbox One. The controller wasn't open before. This is pretty good news. It's an old model. Okay, let's take a closer look at the console. Oops, I'm gonna make some place so you can see it all. Here it is. It's a bit scratched as you can see, but you know, old console will always be scratched a bit. Here we go. This is pretty nice model. So there we go. We should also have the power cable. Here's the power supply. And we should have... okay. I think there is no... oh yeah, there is the HDMI. There is the HDMI cable, as you can see, just right here. I thought it wasn't there. I was wondering what was happening. So here we go. This is what we just received by mail. The problem with it is that it power off randomly. We'll have to see what is happening with this Xbox One. If you have an idea what it could be, you can comment down below, and I will read your comment. But for the moment, I will test it on my own. I might put some recording, and I will think about what I can do to fix it. Okay, so I've decided to put the testing footage on. Now this is the Xbox One. I will power it on, and it should power off. Sometimes it's longer than other, and here we go. I will turn it back on. As you can see, if we're lucky, it will not power back off right now, but basically sometimes you can play for hours on it and it will work, and other time it will do just like I show you. It will just power off right after you power it on. I have no idea why it is doing this. I will try to investigate a bit. I saw a lot of trick on the internet, but I have no idea where I should start for the moment. And when I get it, first thing I do is that I test all the Xbox One controller that I had bought recently. There was 4 of them. I also test the Xbox One controller that came with the box. It confirmed the testing that we did on the other video. I will leave a link in the description below if you're interested to watch it. So I hope to find how to fix this Xbox One. As you can see, it can stay power on pretty long. Again, if any of you have an idea why it is doing this, please comment down below. It will help me to know what's wrong with the systems. This is it for today's video. Have a nice day.